Where are we?
I want to say we're at the Grand Canyon.
No.
No, we're in Niagara.
We're in Niagara, yeah. Where we're going, there's the mist. Kids are dressed up. Are you ready for this, Maddie?
Yes.
Yeah. Ollie, you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. All right. So when you jump off the boat, you just got to paddle really hard.
Don't swim against the wall.
Okay. Don't swim against the current. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Maddie, you ready? Oh, you're messed up. You're ready.
Did you say that we're jumping off?
Yeah. So you jump off the boat and you swim away from the waterfall. Okay. Ready? Let's do it. I am in the oldest state park in America.
Yes, you are. Yeah. I like your shirt.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. I like yours.
You going on a boat ride?
I am.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. Oh, this is gonna make a good video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're silly. Guys, I think we're gonna get wet.
No.
No?
No.
Do you think we're gonna get wet?
Yeah.
Yes. All right. This is so exciting.
Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard the all-new, all-electric Maid of the Mist. For your safety, life jackets and printed instructions on how to wear them are stored and displayed in various locations throughout the vessel. We encourage you to take a few moments to find the closest location to you and review the instructions. Also, for your own safety, please keep your hands and feet inside the boat at all times. Please refrain from standing on the seats or the metal boxes on the deck of the boat. Please keep youngsters off all railings. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to speak to one of our crew members.
There it is, guys. Look, that's Niagara Falls. Oh my goodness. Do you guys feel it already? Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. Alright, let's hold on to kids. Woo! What do you guys think? Do you feel the winds? Wow. Oh my goodness, we did it. Woo!
That's why we created two of North America's first.
Oh my gosh. Whoa, wait, hold on to you. Wow. That is amazing. Woo. Is it cold? What do you think, Ollie? Oh, you're wrapped up. Wow.
I feel like first from Mr. Beast when he put on the mayonnaise in his pants. He's so cold.
Yeah.
NIAGARA.
Yeah. All right, let's stop this video. Take a picture. My goodness. Where are we?
You cold, Maddie?
Are you cold?
Here.
No.
You did.
Oh,
Maddie, your face is covered up. You can't see.
look how amazing.
Look, there's the cable.
Wow.
Really? Pretty cool, huh, Maddie?
What do you think, Ollie?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's big, right?
Yes.
Yeah. It's a cave of the winds. Do you guys want to do that next? Walk down? No? Ollie, you want to do that? You play in the waterfall?
No.
I see those guys.
Yeah. so cool. Wow. Look, there's Nemo. Did you see him?
No?
Did you see Nemo?
No.
Let's go find him again. Nemo. Nemo, where are you? Mine? Mine?
Okay, he's not coming back.
He's not coming up.
Wait,
Oh, here comes
wait,
another
Mom.
waterfall.
Do fish make this sound?
Yeah, they do. All right, guys, hold on again.
Wait, Nemo's a clownfish. Does he says do that?
Look.
So, Mom,
Oh, hold on.
Nemo's a clownfish, right?
That's right. Look.
What do clownfish say?
This is the real deal.
Mom, what do clownfish do?
All right, brace yourself. They go like this.
Like this?
All right, you ready? Here comes the other Niagara Falls.
I think I know how to make a Nemo cut.
Wow. Look at that one.
I now understand why it's called the Maid.
Why is that, Maddie? Tell everybody.
Because it's full of mist.
Ah, look at that one. How amazing is that?
So many balls.
All right, hold on. Maddie, stand up. Hold on to us. Woo! Oh, thank you, baby girl.
180 feet deep.
180 feet deep. Wow, look at that water. Ollie, look at that. I got you. Whoa. Look, Ollie, look. Wow. Holy smokes, it wrapped around. Look, guys. What do you think, Maddie?
Okay, so
All right, open up your mouth to get the water. Wow.
We're about to get there.
You're in Canada. What do you think, Ed? You want some French fries and gravy? Yeah?
Maddie, stand up.
Woo! Oh yeah, open your mouth, ready?
is it like raining?
It's from the waterfall. Oh, no, Mom's gonna lose it.
Oh, cool.
Wow. We're gonna do the waterfall. You ready?
Yeah.
Hold on, we're gonna go.
We're gonna go right under it.
Yeah. Are you ready for it?
No.
No. Look at this. Woo!
So
So cool. What do you guys think of the waterfall?